Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the art of conversation, specifically how to avoid saying wait. Let's get into 12 alternative phrases you can use. Imagine you're in a conversation and need a moment to think. Instead of saying wait, try hold on a second. It's courteous and buys you time. Another great option is just a moment, please. It's perfect when you're busy and need to pause the conversation without being rude. If you're troubleshooting or checking information, bear with me works wonders. It's polite and implies patience is needed. For a friendly touch, use hang tight. It adds a casual flair and keeps the atmosphere light. When you need to interrupt someone politely, allow me a second is both respectful and effective. In formal settings, one moment please maintains professionalism and shows that you value the other person's time. When you're almost ready but not quite, almost there, keeps the other person engaged and informs them you're on the verge of continuing. If you're in a creative or brainstorming session, saying, "Let me ponder that," can give you the necessary pause to think deeply. For a tech-savvy twist, "Let me pull that up," is perfect when you need a moment to retrieve information from a device or book. "Give me just a sec" is another informal and friendly way to ask for a brief pause. In a group setting where multiple conversations might be happening, "Can you hold that thought?" is effective in managing the flow of dialogue. Lastly, "I'll be with you shortly" is ideal for those times when you're concluding another task but wish to acknowledge the waiting party. Using these alternatives can make your conversation smoother and more engaging. Remember, the key to effective communication is not just in what you say, but how you say it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.